Hi guys, are you wondering how I made this soft and delicious chicken roll? Then make sure you watch till the end. Like, comment and subscribe if you haven't. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This chicken roll recipe is very easy to make and it doesn't take time to prepare. All you need is your flour, baking powder, and then your cooking margarine, then one seasoning cube, egg, and mix everything. I forgot to add curry while I was adding the other ingredients. So you'll be adding your water bit by bit. For this my dough, I added 2 tablespoons of water. You don't want your dough to be too watery. Mix the dough until everything is fully incorporated, and then your dough is mixed enough, just as shown in the video. While the dough is resting, we are going to make the filling. Drizzle a little bit of oil in your pan. Go in with your minced chicken. Add your thyme, garlic powder, ginger powder, and you saute it for 5 to 6 minutes roughly, until everything is well mixed. After that, go in with your curry and your seasoning cube, and then mix everything. Go in with your onion and pepper mix. Add your seasoning cube and saute for 2 to 3 minutes again. After sauteing it, go in with a little bit of water to soften the filling, and then cover it up for 2 to 3 minutes. I forgot to add salt, so I have to open and add a little bit of salt. When the water is dried up, your filling is ready. Now bring out the dough that have rested for 10 to 15 minutes. Use your rolling pin to flatten it, up. My rolling pin is nowhere to be found, so I have to improvise. I use the baking paper. You can use my method if you don't have a rolling pin. I use the baking paper to flatten it on the serving tray, and it gave me what I wanted. So you spread the filling inside as seen, and you roll the dough containing the filling. You need to be very careful and gentle when rolling the the dough. Now you cut the chicken, you cut the dough into these shapes as seen, and then arrange every piece on your baking tray. Egg wash it and bake for 15 minutes in a preheated oven on a moderate heat. And after that, oh, I forgot to tell ya all viewers that after egg washing the chicken roll, I sprinkled a bit of sesame seed to garnish it. And then after baking for 15 minutes in a preheated oven, then your chicken roll is ready. It is very, very delicious. Try it and let me know. Bye. Happy watching.